Hey everyone, today we're going to take you on a video tour inside the community of DAMAC Hills. The reason why we're taking this video is we want you to see exactly what's available in this community in terms of facilities, amenities and lifestyle. We're also going to be showing you what options do you have when it comes to villas, townhouses and even apartments. So here's a list of all of the different amenities and facilities that are found inside here. We've got multiple basketball courts, football court, a cricket field, we have a skate park, a pet farm, a horse stable, a fishing pond, river, lakes, and even a beach pool. The community is located exactly between Hassa Street and Suqaim Street. It's also in close proximity to major highways in Dubai, such as Al Khail Street and Hamad bin Zayed Road. It is also close in proximity to Sports City and Motor City, which you can find lots of retail and amenities in that area as well. We have a wide selection of 5 and 6 bedroom independent villas here. We also have townhouses of 3 and 4 bedrooms that are right on the park with a nice view. We also have studios, 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms available in the apartment buildings. For more details, get in touch with us and we'll be able to assist you. See you soon.